So what's good, James? What are you getting today?
Hopefully a correction of errors.
All right, let me see. Show me.
You ready? You sure?
Yeah.
Take it easy now.
Damn! Look at this.
Easy,
Look
Papa.
at it.
Easy, huh?
Come on, let's fix these $5 haircuts in the corner.
Zumba. The first thing we do, we grab guard number 1 and we go with the grain to try to blend in a little bit. Then you go against the grain, moving your wrist up and down. Now using guard number 0, you're gonna go with the grain again, always in the top of the line. Keep the areas always clean, so that means brush multiple times. And now we're gonna close the lever and we're gonna create another line, not passing the ear. Brush again. See the line? You're gonna open the lever on half and just keep the machine on the top of the line. Play with your levers, up and down. Now using the TL liner, you're gonna blend it in a little bit lower. As you see, I like to start from top to bottom, like that. Don't create the line too hard, and it's easy for me to erase the line. Making the shape up, always check the behind the ears.
Always.
Now we're gonna give the last touches. Fix the shape up. He already messed up. Using the TL liner, make sure the line is straight. Go to the corner. As you see, he pushed the shape up back a lot, trying to save $5 on a haircut. But that's why we're here, to fix those type of mistakes you make at home or your friends make at home, cheaper or free. And before the final results, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. Thank you.
So James, that's how your broke's supposed to be look.
You fixed it?
I'm almost fixed it. Look at the mirror. Check yourself out.
Oh.
You like it?
How'd you fix it though?
Don't worry about it. Just check the video on YouTube.